Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to rewrite job descriptions for better reach. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Writing a job post that stands out and attracts top talent can feel like threading a needle, but AI makes it simple. Start by grabbing your current job description, bullet points, responsibilities, qualifications, whatever you have, then open ChatGPT. Open a new chat and paste in your draft and prompt it with something like, rewrite this job description to be clear, inclusive, and optimized for SEO keywords like remote marketing manager and flexible schedule. In a flash, you will get a polished version that highlights key responsibilities, emphasizes company culture, and weaves in the right terms to rank in searches. If you want a different tone, just say make it more conversational or add a call to action. That will encourage diverse candidates to apply. Tweak as needed until it feels spot on. Then copy and paste it into your hiring platform. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.